In a world where people flee, trying hard to pursue a life that can signify hope shining through. I dedicate my heart to dreams I must restore, even when fears try confine me at the door. Some people face abuse, some stories we neglect, but every soul deserves sympathy, kindness and respect. We transfer our worries to the wind at night and endure shocks inside, but still we hold on tight.
When we clean up the pain, when we fight to not get injured, we set sail on a quest, growing braver and mature. This in a place we build, where broken hearts feel whole. We call it the asylum of the soul. Here in the asylum, we find serenity, a safe refuge for every refugee. Your contribution matters, your voice is powerful. Every step you take is remarkable. Be fearless, amiable, even when life is risky. Though the road feels unstable, walk on honorably. This home inside our hearts will always help us grow. Welcome to the asylum of the soul. We learn discipline and strength like a young warrior. Our ancestor whispered courage from a distant shore. We leave the past trauma in a silent cemetery and move toward adulthood step by step steadily. Life's a facility for lessons, sometimes strange. Sometimes the rules seem cruel, the world feels rearranged. The politician may promise things we don't fully trust, but our own commitment is what truly guides us. The world gives sensation, both dreadful and tough. Sometimes it's incredible, sometimes barely enough, but we walk forward delicately, not cruelly, you know. Otherwise our hearts can break, too heavy to hold. With every new outfit, every chapter that we face, we remember all civilians who just want a safer place. Even when pain and hope appear simultaneously, we grow, we shine, we free our souls completely. Here in the asylum, we find serenity, a safe refuge for every refugee. Your contribution matters, your voice is powerful. Every step you take is remarkable. Be fearless and amiable, even when life is risky. Though the road feels unstable, walk on honorably. This home inside our hearts will always help us grow. Welcome to the asylum of the soul. We try to make our visitors satisfied. We hold each other close when someone cries. If we resist the darkness, we'll rise again and glow. This is the promise of the asylum of the soul. Here in the asylum, we find serenity, a safe refuge for every refuge. Your story is remarkable, your courage beautiful. You are the light inside this home. Be fearless, be amiable, don't fear the risky road. Though the world feels unstable, we walk on honorably. Hold tight to your dreams, let your true colors show. Forever in the asylum of the soul. In a world where people flee, trying hard to pursue a life that can't seem to fire, hope shining through. I dedicate my heart to dreams I must restore. Even when fears try to confine me at the door, some people face abuse, some stories we neglect, but every soul deserves sympathy, kindness and respect. We transfer our worries to the wind at night and endure shocks inside, but still we hold on tight. When we clean up the pain, when we fight to not get injured, we set sail on a quest, growing braver and mature. This inner place we blow, where broken hearts feel whole. We call
learn discipline and strength like a young warrior. Our ancestors whisper courage from a distant shore. We leave the past trauma in a silent cemetery and move toward adult food step by step, steadily.
Life's a facility for lessons, sometimes strange, sometimes the rules seem cruel. The world feels real, and a politician may promise things we don't fully trust, but our own commitment is what truly guides us. The world gives sensations, both pure and tough. Sometimes it's incredible, sometimes very enough, but we walk forward delicately, not cruelly. You know otherwise our hearts can break, too heavy to hold. With every new outfight, every chapter that we face, we remember all civilians who just wanna save our lives. Even when pain and hope appears to be at stake, as see we grow each and we free ourselves completely. In asylum we find serenity and safe purges for every refugee. Your contravention matters, your voice is part of proof. Every step you take is remarkable. We feel less enemy, real blue, even when life is risky. Though the rope is unstable, walk on, our pebble it is home inside. Our hearts will always help us roll. Welcome to the asylum of the soul. We try to make our visitors satisfied. We hold each other close when someone cries. If we resist, the darkness will rise again and glow. This is the promise of this